Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Mauritania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the National Agency for the Population Register and Secure Titles of Mauritania, and they have a link to e-visa. You can click. So now they are offering e-visa for 30 days, 90 days, 360, 720. So on they have a link for tracking your request to, but of course that is after you actually apply. So I'm just going for 30 days as a sample. So email address. So I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. Don't do like this. I mean, of course I won't be submitting. Telephone, travel and tourism. When you are arriving, so let's say you are arriving on June 6th. Number of entries, unique, one single entry. Address. So if you have done hotel booking or if you're going to stay with a friend, you already have that information, right? Description for the reason of travel, provide yeah, like what tourism, like what you're gonna do, when, and on any other plan itinerary, everything. Please upload document for e-visa application, invitation letter, certificate, or any other relevant document. Must be less than 400. Okay, fine. So you need to click on do. Okay, like invitation, like hotel booking, ticket, travel insurance, financial document. Definitely you can do this. Okay. Must be 50 characters. Okay, fine. Just a sample, guys. Passport information type standard is selected. What other options we have? Service. Okay. Document number, do it as per your own case. This is just a sample. Date, when it was issued, expiry date, and verify this at least 2 times, not just once, because you don't want any issue because of this, right? Place of issue. You can check your passport for this, what is written there. Your information. Place of birth. This will be written in your passport. So do it as per your own case. Nationality. Wow. Canada. Question. You need to upload your photo. Okay. They are given the specifications. Okay. I'm just going to next, but you should definitely upload it. I mean, required. Okay, I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna see you guys. Now, next page is about the passport. Again, the specifications have been given that you need to follow. Okay. File format, pixel size, everything has been given. Next is gonna verify and submit and payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.